Hi guys, my name is Nathan Adam and I'm going to be your professor this semester, so I want to take just a few minutes and walk through the layout of our Blackboard course so that you get a couple of benefits. Number one, you understand the simple structure that I use to make classes very, very clear. Number two, you're going to be able to always understand at a glance what's happening over the course of the whole semester, what's going to be required of you, and what success is going to look like. So let's go ahead and take a quick dive into here and take a peek at it. First off, regardless of what course of mine you're in, they're going to all adopt the same structure. Course schedule and links will be the first thing you're going to see, and then schedule a meeting with Nathan Adam. This link is here because I never want you to stress wondering what you're supposed to be doing, right? I want to keep it all very clear, and so these two links are designed to help you do that. First, if you ever need to schedule a meeting with me, or you just think, man, I'd like to talk about my career or long-term strategy or some challenge I'm having with the class, click on that schedule a meeting with Nathan Adam. It's going to bring you straight to my calendar. You can click on this and choose any availability, click continue, and it's going to have you put in your information, and then it's going to not only book that time right on my calendar, it's going to send you the Zoom link so that you can get to me every time. Super simple. You don't have to wonder about it. If you're stressing, go ahead and click that schedule a meeting link so that we can always hang out and make sure that you're taken care of. Number two, the link you're going to click every single day of class. When you click on course schedule and links, what I have found over years of teaching hybrid, online, and in person is that you want to have a class laid out so that somebody can at a glance see exactly what's due on any given day, what you should be working on any given day, and at a quick glance be able to see what's happening over the course of the whole semester. So let's point out just a couple little things. Number one, for any class we're going to have this semester, it's being offered both in person if we get to go back to campus, but also online, even simultaneously. So I'm going to use the class Zoom link for that. So you never have to wonder or try to go looking up Zoom links. I'm going to use the same one every class, or at the very least, this will always be the correct Zoom link. So you can simply click on that and always get right into the Zoom meeting where you want to be. So that's in good shape, and we should be good to go there. Let me just kill out of Zoom real quick. Next, the syllabi is simply and clearly linked right at the top. You can click on that, click on Dropbox, and get right to the Dropbox syllabi for your class. So very simple, very easy way to find it. It's always top, front, and center. Now, beyond that, every class is laid out really simply. In one colored set of rows, you're going to find every single day of class. So simply start with whatever that color is and move left to right. So you'll see first, we have the dates. On the date for this semester, this class is meeting on the 19th. The second column you see is what is due before class on the 19th. So, for example, what's due before class on the 19th of August? That's right. If you said nothing, there's nothing due. However, what's due before class on the 26th of August? Homework 1, which we'll talk about in that class, talking about what that looks like. Or what's due before class on the 24th of August? Quiz 1. So you can always see by looking in that column what is due before class or on class that day. Then we have the next couple of areas that show us what the main topic is going to be, and if there are particular ideas or thought processes, things, shortcuts, great links, anything that you might need that I think would be helpful, I'm going to put that right next to it. So this is what we're covering in class, and these are extra little bits that will be helpful or useful, or a summary of what happened in class. So what's due before, what's happening during class, and then finally the far right column you'll see what's happening after class. What kind of assigned homework or readings or videos do you have? Because if you've got those, you're going to need to work through those assigned readings or videos in order to be able to take the quiz that's due before the next class. So let's run through this one more time. Every time you see a row like this, it's showing you what is due before class on this date, what's happening during class, as well as any relevant links, and then what you need to work on after class before coming back in for that next class. So let's take one quick look at a different class for the same reason. Here you see a different class. There's your Zoom link. The syllabi clearly still needs to be linked up here at the top, so we're going to get that done, but then it's laid out the exact same way. We've got this set of colors is clearly showing that we've got one day, so on the 20th, you need to have read the chapter, taken a quiz. The quiz will be due before class. In that class, we'll be talking about the syllabi, Intro to Mass Media in Chapter 1. Oh, there's that syllabi. I'm going to go ahead and paste them up there. And then after class, you're going to have this homework. So working on a media diary or writing assignments, etc. So they're all laid out the same way and hopefully very simple. Well, I hope that clarifies what you see in the classes. And then finally, we're going to get down to these last things. If there's a homework discussion or something that has to happen in Blackboard, like you have to upload one of your project files or an assignment, you'll find those very clearly labeled. For example, uploading a project, which we would talk about in class, you'll find the ability to come in and upload those there. If there's an exam to be taken, you'll find the exams available right inside the folder. Quizzes, same thing, or any homeworks, discussion forums, etc. They'll always be clearly and simply laid out. Now, of course, we'll go through these specifically for your class, but I just wanted to give everybody a clear, comfortable overview of what's going to be happening this semester. I'm so excited to be working with you, and I look forward to it. Don't forget to keep an eye on that schedule. Look out for any emails from me. Make sure you've read through the syllabus, and we will see you at your class time on your Zoom link. Thanks so much.